Hello, good afternoon, classmate. Record ko na lang muna yung ah, explanation ko about sa nire-recommend ko na health plan sa'yo. I-share ko lang yung screen ko. Ayan. So, ang tawag dito is Sunfit and Well. Sunfit and Well siya. Share ko lang yung isang screen. So, ito yung yung sample proposal. Yung Sunfit and Well kasi more of health coverage siya. Kasi 'di ba sobrang mahal magkasakit and during our lifetime hindi natin masasabi we can get sick and sobrang magastos. Ibig sabihin pag wala tayong health insurance, it can drain our savings or even our business fund. So, we want to make sure na hindi magagalaw yung mga naipon natin, pang-college ng anak, or savings natin in case something were to happen. And this one is also a life insurance coverage, meaning if may mangyari, um, the proceed will go to your beneficiary. So, ito yung sample ng Sunfit and Well. Ano siya, it's coverage siya for critical illness. And ito na yung pinakamadami sa market. 114 yung covered na sakit. Yung iba kasi nag-o-offer ng insurance, pero nasa 30 plus lang yung covered. Meaning, kapag wala, nagkasakit si client pero wala sa listahan, hindi din mapepay. So at least eto, you have the peace of mind na mas madami kang coverage. Ito yung mga yun. Ito yung mga sample. For example, sa heart-related, sa iba, acute heart attack lang. Pero dito, siyam na yung covered pagdating sa related, including the minor, yung mga angioplasty. And then sa cancer-related, sa iba invasive lang. Eto, invasive kasi malawak na naman siya, mga breast cancer and so on and so forth. Pero dito, kinover din even the early stages, yung mga early ovarian, and so on and so forth. And then, sa neurological, sa iba stroke, Alzheimer, Parkinson's lang yung covered. Dito sobrang dami, including yung mga aneurysm. So, ang dami niyang covered, 114 lahat. Of course, the goal naman is not to get sick during our lifetime. The plan A natin is to stay healthy. But in case we get sick, we want to make sure na covered tayo kasi ayaw naman nating maging burden, 'di ba, sa family natin. So, ayan. So, ayun, in case magkasakit, mababayaran si client. And in case naman hindi magkasakit, etong plan na to has embedded guaranteed cash value that you may enjoy in the future. Kasi most of the time, ang mga health insurance, parang HMO siya. Kung hindi ka naman nagkasakit, hindi naman isosoli yung binayad mo. Tama ba? Like car insurance, halimbawa, hindi naman nabangga yung car, hindi naman nila sosoli yung premium na binayad mo, 'di ba? Thank you na lang doon. Pero eto, hindi. Kasi if hindi tayo magkasakit, blessed tayo with good health, hindi natapon yung hinulog mo kasi may ma-enjoy ka na pera. So, I'll show you a sample quotation. Pinakita ko lang muna yung actual proposal. Yan. Share ko lang yung isang screen ko. Ayan. So, dito, gumawa kasi ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4 na proposal just to show you yung kung magkano siya. So, yung Sunfit and Well, ay meron tayong tinatawag na 10 years to pay guarantee. Lifetime ka na insured until age 100. Kasi may mga insurance na covered ka lang until age 60, 65, 70. Blessed ka na kapag kinover ka nila until 70. Tapos pag nag-71 ka na, wala ka ng coverage. Doon kasi mas mahalaga na meron kang insurance, 'di ba? Mas kailangan mo nun. Anything can happen sa health. Kasi syempre based on experience, humahaba naman yung buhay ng tao kasi advance yung medicine natin. So, pero hindi ibig sabihin you will not get sick. during old age. So this one covers you naman day one, ano pa lang, at the inception sa life insurance. Okay? Tapos sa health, mako-cover ka na after 90 days from the time na na-approve yung application mo. So dito, meron yung tatlong ginawa ko, guarantee 10 years to pay. After nun, wala ka nang babayaran. Lifetime ka na insured sa 114 critical illness. So, etong first column, 500,000 yung coverage mo. Ibig sabihin, in case magkaroon ng critical illness, we will pay you directly 500,000. Kapag naman cancer-related, 750,000. Okay? And yung mga nasa listahan na pinakita ko, napasok doon 114 yun. So, eto magkano to? Eto ay guaranteed 10 years to pay. 35,000 lang siya. Annual naman to. Okay? Annual naman siya. So, next year na ulit yung hulog. Kung mag start ka ng October or September, for example, September 1, next hulog mo na September 1 pag na-approve. Okay? So, 10 hulog lang and then lifetime ka na insured. And may guaranteed cash benefit ito. You will enjoy 25,000 every year. It will start sa late years na natin at age 60, 65, ganun. Every year for the next 8 years para ma-enjoy mo siya like every birthday or every Christmas. Kapag na-confine naman si client na related sa 114, sa paglabas niyo ng ospital may 5,000 siya, 312 and 625 pesos. Ita-times yan kung ilang araw siya na-confine. And on top pa yun sa 500,000 na benefit. Meron din tong palliative care na 50,000. On top din yun dito. Okay? So, in case we get sick, but in case we don't get sick and we remain healthy, 10 years mo lang hinulugan, covered ka na. After 20 years, you can enjoy 366,979 if you want to surrender your plan. After 30 years naman, almost 600,000 and after 40 years, 851 na yung naipon mo sa account mo. Okay? So, ganun siya. And if in case hindi nagkasakit pero nawala si client, namatay kasi insured ka until age 100, may makukuha din yung family mo na 500,000 plus yung mga dividends na hindi na withdraw. Okay? So, health insurance, life insurance, and savings. So, syempre, during the time of crisis or during health crisis, during the time of emergency, the most important asset is cash, liquid. So, at least eto, na-diversify mo. Kung may bahay ka, hindi mo naman ibebenta yun, 'di ba? O kung may iba kang property business, hindi mo naman gustong compromise yung funds doon. So, dapat meron kang insurance. Okay? Um, Eto naman sa second column, tinaasan ko lang yung coverage kasi syempre mahal magkasakit, enough ba yung 500,000? Pero if you wanna start with this, at least may coverage ka, 'di ba? Kaysa sa wala. Eto naman 750 yung coverage mo. Kapag naman cancer related 1.1 1,125 yung claim. So 10 years to pay din 52,000. Okay? Tama ba? I'll double check. Yeah, 52,538. Pero after 20 years, halos break even ka na, 'di ba? Nabawi mo na yung hinulog mo, covered ka pa, and should you surrender the plan, for example after 30 years, eto na yung pera na may enjoy mo. Okay? If magkasakit naman, mababayaran ka din. Eto naman, 10 years to pay 1 million naman. So, doble nito. Ito ay 70,050 pesos every year. 10 hulog lang, guarantee, lifetime ka na insured. Ang naipon mo after 20 years ay 733, 1.1 after 30 years and 1.7. Ibig sabihin, if hindi mo naman na-claim, you stayed healthy and gusto mo nang kunin yung pera mo, eto na yung ma-enjoy mo. Meron din tong 50,000 every year na guarantee na ma-enjoy mo. Okay? It will start at age 65 every year for the next 8 years. Eto naman, 15 years to pay. So, baka mamaya namahalan ka dito. Pwede mo naman i-longer yung paghuhulog kesa instead of 35, 25,300 every year, 15 hulog siya. Okay? Sa 500,000. Tas eto din yung naipon mo. Okay? So, yan yung naipon mo. Okay? So, if you have any question, ay wait lang, i-double check ko lang kung tama ito. Wait lang ah. $39. Share ko lang yung buong screen. 39. Kung makikita mo, iba-iba yung meron ako sa age 38, 40, 39 kasi yung premium depende yan sa edad. Pag dinedelay mo siya, mas mahal na. Pero kung kukunin mo na siya at age 39, malalak na natin yung premium. Hindi na siya tataas. Kung magkano mo siya nakuha, yun na yun. Okay? Okay. Nagkamali lang ako dito. So, after um 20 years, 356.93. After 30 years, 558,833 and 618,206. Yan. So, total value nito is 1.7 million. Ito yung 15 years to pay. 15 years to pay, 25,300 pesos. So, in case hindi nagkasakit pero nawala si client, this will be converted as a death benefit na makukuha ng family mo. And if you will add some riders, 26,000 lang 315. If death is caused by accident, 1 million. Ang inad mo lang naman dyan, 480 pesos yearly. So, sobrang mura. And in case magka-total disability due to sickness or injury, wala ka nang babayaran. Si Sun Life na magpe-pay nung plan mo. Okay? So, yun lang naman siya. If you have any question, isa-send ko sa'yo to, screenshot ko para ma-double check mo kung saan ka mas komportable dito. And so you can start na. Pag nag-start ka naman at na-approve, you will have your own online account and magkakaroon ka din ng hard copy ng policy mo. Yung paghuhulog naman ito, madali lang, credit card, bank, bills payment. So kung paano ka lang din nagbabayad ng mga bills mo. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng account number. Okay? So yun lang naman. Thank you so much sa time. God bless.